so much in the last couple of years. I don't know what to do next. You know, I'm trying other things, and yesterday we have somebody who does acupuncture in Binghamton who's coming in from Africa who's really highly credentialed. Yeah, no. Well, you know, I took Tim to see someone similar a year ago. He was with the Festival Wellness Center, and it was very unpleasant, and the whole experience was really bad. I wasn't walked out, and I didn't like